a cartoon parrot. First, we're going to start with its head. We're not going to draw a nose because parrots have beaks. They're a kind of bird. And then we're going to draw some spikes around its head. And then we're going to draw the other side of the beak. Now we're going to do the big eye. Now we're going to draw more of a smile on the parrot's beak. Now we're going to draw on the chest. We're not going to draw the body too big because this parrot's a baby. Now we're going to go to the feathers for its tail. Now the legs, leave some marks for the legs. Now we're going to draw the wings. Now the other one.